Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Rational decision-making is a core economic concept. Let us look at how individuals compare benefits to find the answer. Economists assume that rational people always aim to maximize their utility by making logical choices. This means they look at the extra gain from doing just one more unit of any activity. To decide if that extra unit is worth it, you must weigh the marginal benefit against the additional sacrifice required. This comparison is the fundamental rule for every rational economic choice. That sacrifice is the marginal cost. Therefore, we compare benefit to cost, making option C the correct choice. You nailed this one! Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust given information, and check your steps.